Welcome to the future of driving. The Tesla Model 3 isn't just a car, it's a revolution on wheels. From its jaw-dropping acceleration to its mind-blowing tech, this electric sedan is changing the game. Buckle up as we take you on an electrifying ride. First things first, let's talk about the stunning design. The Model 3's aerodynamic shape isn't just for show, it boosts efficiency and maximizes range. And with no traditional grille, you know this isn't your average sedan. Now, let's talk power. The performance version rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds. That's supercar territory, without the supercar price tag. Thanks to the dual-motor all-wheel drive, you get insane grip and handling in all conditions. Step inside, and you'll feel like you've entered a sci-fi movie. The dashboard, completely minimalist. Buttons? Who needs them when you have a massive 15-inch touchscreen controlling everything from navigation to Netflix? And of course, let's talk Autopilot. Tesla's cutting-edge driver assist tech can steer, accelerate, and brake for you. It's not quite self-driving yet, but it's as close as it gets today. Worried about range? Don't be. The long-range Model 3 gets up to 358 miles on a single charge. And with Tesla's supercharger network, you can juice up to 80% in just 30 minutes. That's enough time for a coffee break before hitting the road again. Let's talk dollars. Sure, the Model 3 isn't the cheapest car out there, but think about this. No more gas stations, lower maintenance, and over-the-air software updates that keep making the car better over time. It's an investment in the future. So, is the Tesla Model 3 the car of the future? Absolutely. If you're ready to experience innovation on four wheels, this is the car for you. What do you think about Tesla's game-changing sedan? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more electrifying content.